Hello, let's build ourselves a custom mini PC with the V²Configurator. The first step is to make yourself familiar with the ViCase Indiegogo campaign. If you click here, it brings you to the campaign. Notice how small the ViCase PC is, and yet it has space for full desktop components and still makes the magic to look very beautiful. Going back, the next step is to choose your configuration in the wizard. Let's unfold the wizard, go to Field of Application. Here you choose your application. I'm choosing Gaming. The Gaming Custom PC shows up here. When you unfold it, you have a choice of 6 ready-made configurations. We will choose the standard gaming PC. When you click it, all the parts are loaded into the summary, and you can check your configuration right here and check out how much it costs you. If you want, you are ready to already check out in Indiegogo and with third-party parts, but we are going to have some fun first. I will pick the form factor to be all-in-one. I choose 2 displays, and in preview I can render how my PC will look like from the front and from the rear. And now we are ready to dive in and do some more customization. I give myself a nice red stylish color and a lower sound cooler. Next, we will change the PC parts. It's always a good idea to choose a faster CPU, and you can give yourself more memory. If you're not so sure, you can check the comparison table with lots of information. You have additional advice. There's a gallery with pictures on how the parts will look like. And if in doubt, you can always load the additional data sheets. That's for now, and the next video will show you how to check out.